15 foods nutrition experts say you should be eating every day. If these foods work for them on a daily basis, they might work for you as well. You should keep these meals in mind and strive to incorporate them into your everyday diet. Who knows, maybe you'll find your new favorite foods meal. 1. Olives. Olives don't have to be just for martinis. Olives are high in vitamins A and E, which both protect the oils on your skin's surface from free radical damage. Olives also aid in the strengthening of connective tissues, as well as the improvement of skin tone and UV protection. The high monounsaturated fat content is especially beneficial to the heart since it lowers the risk of atherosclerosis, a disease in which plaque forms inside the arteries while increasing healthy HDL cholesterol. Olives also contain anti-inflammatory flavonoids, which can help lower your risk of heart disease. And, whether green or black, Kalamata or pimento stuffed, we think they're fairly excellent. 2. Cucumber. Cucumbers, please. Cucumber is a refreshing and light method to hydrate and restore your body's vitamins. Cucumber, in fact, stores the most water of any solid meal by weight, 95% water. The founder of the Well Necessities, Lisa Hayem, is a qualified dietitian. Slicing up some cucumbers or adding them to a salad might aid with hydration and detoxifying when we're not in the mood to drink our fluids. Cucumbers are also naturally low in calories, making them an excellent choice for weight loss or simply improving digestion. 3. Chia seeds. Despite the small size, chia seeds contain more omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower risk factors for heart disease, and fiber than any other food by weight, says the author. Stir them into yogurt, toss them in a salad dressing, or use them in one of these 50 chia seed recipes. They're also a quick and simple carb replacement, explains Rebecca Lewis, Road for HelloFresh. They're also a great source of vegetarian protein, says the author. 4. Jackfruit. Jackfruit is the next big thing in the wellness sector, Hayem explains. Vegan restaurants were first to market with jackfruit tacos, which use the meaty consistency of the jackfruit as a filler. The fruit is sweet and full of vitamins and minerals, with no saturated fat or cholesterol. While most B vitamins are obtained in non-plant sources, jackfruit is high in vitamin B6, niacin, riboflavin, and folic acid, all of which aid in the conversion of food to energy. Okay, we've made up our minds. 5. Avocados. Even dietitians are obsessed with avocados. These fruits are one of my favorites. They're high in vitamin C, which helps improve your immune system, as well as healthy fats, which are an important element of your diet, explains Ashlyn Krovac, Road, CDN, a dietitian in New York City. They're a terrific accompaniment to most dishes, whether as a spread on sandwiches or simply seasoned with sea salt and freshly cracked pepper. 2 sunny side-up eggs with a side of creamy avocado is my go-to morning breakfast. Delicious and healthy. Avocados also provide up to 40% of your daily necessary fiber intake, which is a nice surprise. 6. Greek yogurt. Probiotics, protein, and calcium are all found in Greek yogurt. Probiotics are beneficial microorganisms that dwell in the intestines. It's the mix of good and bad bacteria that keeps your stomach, immunity, and overall health in check, according to the foodie physician. Protein is abundant in Greek yogurt, which helps us retain muscle strength as we age and provides us with long-lasting vitality. Vegetarians may find it to be an exceptionally rich source of protein. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, a mineral in which many Americans are deficient, which aids in bone health. 7. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is one of the healthiest leafy greens available. It helps in cardiovascular strength and bone health. It also has a high amount of vitamin K. Vitamin K is one of the most essential bone-building vitamins, since it aids in the transportation of calcium to your bones and the absorption of calcium once it's there. 374% of your daily value is found in 1 cup. 8. Walnut pesto. Served with noodles or smothered over a slice of bread, this creamy, tasty sauce is sure to please. Pesto, in our opinion, is obsession-worthy. Pestos are a lovely mixture of phytonutrient-rich green herbs, olive oil, a bit of sharp cheese, and, in this instance, walnuts for the unique flavor and omega-3s, explains Annie K., MS, RDN, lead nutritionist at the Kripalu Center for Yoga and Health. Herbs also contain some of the highest ORAC, an antioxidant level measurement, of any meal. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most important items I have in my kitchen. We're starting to believe we should do the same. Apple cider vinegar helps maintain a healthy alkaline pH level in the body, which benefits in the prevention of tiredness, inflammation, weight gain, acne, and heartburn. 10. Watermelon. Don't be surprised if watermelon juice becomes the next big thing in the juicing world. Watermelon is one of the most popular foods among dietitians for a reason. Do you want to have a flawless complexion? Take a drink. One of the finest ways to remain hydrated is to eat watermelon. It's largely made up of water and is high in electrolytes, including potassium, which is necessary for cellular hydration. Watermelon water also contains the rind, which is high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that tightens up skin and helps to slow the aging process. Watermelon water also contains the rind, which is high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that firms up skin and helps to slow the aging process. It also includes L-citrulline, a vasodilator that aids in the delivery of oxygen to all of the cells in the body. 11. Amaranth. Anyone for superfood crusted turnip fries. Grab some amaranth and prepare to be impressed by your taste buds and your waistline. Amaranth, like quinoa, is the seed of an amaranth plant, not a grain. It's heavy in protein and calcium, which is unexpected. Amaranth may be eaten raw or cooked with water, similar to rice. Amaranth is naturally gluten-free, and studies have shown that it reduces the risk of chronic diseases including heart disease and stroke. 12. Ginger. Ginger includes the active component gingerol, which has been proved to relieve indigestion, nausea, and vomiting, says a reducing weight specialist and author of What Doctors Eat and the 21-Day Belly Fix. The same molecule also has anti-inflammatory effects, which helps with joint pain and inflammation relief. To relieve bloating, try ginger tea. We'll start the kettle. 13. Quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein, high-fiber, and high-magnesium grain. It's a flexible plant-based protein that may be used in place of rice in a variety of dishes and baked products. It may be mixed in with nearly anything for a high-protein snack. It's extremely excellent in chocolate, giving each bite an additional crunch. Quinoa not only has more protein than other grains, but it's also a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 necessary amino acids. 14. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which is needed for healthy skin and eyes despite being a starchy meal. They're also high in fiber and may be used in casseroles, roasted or steamed as a side dish, or even as a substitute for French fries. For a sweet treat, I like them baked and covered with cinnamon and a little butter. 15. Kale. Kale is high in vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, a kind of phytonutrient found in plants that is thought to be helpful to human health and disease prevention. Phytonutrients support normal cell activity and communication, ensuring that enzymatic activities take place when they should in the body and laying the groundwork for a healthy immune system to prevent sickness.